Let's talk about why you don't need to be exceptional in order to be happy. As we'll show in this video, it's not necessary, and in fact, the middle way seems to be better in so many ways. Becoming exceptional in a particular area can certainly contribute to success in that area, but it's not the only path to success. Success is a multifaceted concept that depends on individual goals and aspirations, personal values, skill set, opportunity, and work-life balance. It's important to consider these factors when thinking about becoming exceptional in order to succeed. There are many reasons why you don't need to be exceptional, and it ultimately depends on your individual goals and aspirations. However, here are some reasons why being exceptional is not always necessary or even desirable. 1. Happiness. Exceptional people often have high expectations for themselves, which can lead to stress, burnout, and a lack of fulfillment. You can lead a happy and fulfilling life without being exceptional, as long as you find joy and purpose in what you do. 2. Success. Success is relative, and what constitutes success varies from person to person. Being exceptional may not be necessary for achieving your own personal definition of success, whether that means having a fulfilling career, maintaining healthy relationships, or simply enjoying life. 3. Acceptance. Society often puts pressure on individuals to be exceptional, but this can lead to feelings of inadequacy and a sense of never being good enough. Accepting and embracing your own strengths and weaknesses can lead to greater self-acceptance and overall well-being. 4. Community. Being exceptional can sometimes isolate you from others, as you may feel like you don't fit in with those around you. By being a part of a community and connecting with others on a more human level, you can experience a sense of belonging and acceptance that can be more valuable than any level of exceptionalism. 5. Focus on what matters. Being exceptional in one area often requires sacrificing other areas of your life, such as relationships, hobbies, or personal well-being. By focusing on what truly matters to you and finding balance in your life, you can lead a more fulfilling and well-rounded life. 6. Comparison. Constantly comparing yourself to exceptional people can be demotivating and discouraging. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own progress and personal growth, and strive to be the best version of yourself. 7. Enjoy the journey. Being exceptional often requires hard work and dedication, but it's important to remember to enjoy the process along the way. Instead of fixating on the end goal, focus on the present moment and find joy in the journey towards achieving your goals. 8. Embrace failure. Exceptional people often achieve success after experiencing failures and setbacks. However, the pressure to be exceptional can make it difficult to embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process. By accepting failure and learning from your mistakes, you can become more resilient and ultimately achieve greater success. 9. Authenticity. Trying to be exceptional can sometimes lead to sacrificing your own authenticity and trying to fit into a mold that isn't true to who you are. By embracing your unique qualities and being true to yourself, you can find greater happiness and fulfillment in life. 10. Impact. Being exceptional in one area can sometimes lead to a narrow focus on personal success, rather than making a positive impact on the world around you. By focusing on using your talents and skills to make a positive impact on others, you can achieve a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. In summary, while being exceptional can be desirable in some cases, it's not always necessary or even desirable. By focusing on what brings you joy and purpose, finding balance in your life, and embracing your own strengths and weaknesses, you can lead a happy and fulfilling life without feeling the need to be exceptional.